So we started a new project on kind of a remote property in the Santiam Canyon. And it's a really unique concept. It's a new home that sits on the crest of a steep hill. Our clients lost their home in the 2020 Beachy Creek fire, but they're determined to come back stronger. Now that the plans are approved, we've been starting work on the foundation. This included driving huge steel pilings for support. And pouring an elaborate network of concrete stem walls. It's the sort of challenging project that craft is well suited for. Fully custom and requiring a high level of craftsmanship. It's going to be really cool. Stay tuned.